In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wells Fargo to another bank. If you're ready to streamline your financial transfers or need guidance on moving funds between accounts, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and get you familiar with this process step by step. To start, you'll need your smartphone and the Wells Fargo app at the ready. So, let's go ahead and tap on the Wells Fargo app icon. Once opened, you'll be prompted to log in using your username and password. If you haven't yet set up your app credentials, be sure to have those details at hand to access your account. Now that you're successfully logged in, take a look at the bottom menu on your screen. Here, you're going to tap on the option labeled Transfer and Pay. This is your gateway to financial movements within Wells Fargo. Once in that section, select Transfer Money to begin the process of initiating a transfer. Next, you'll see options for where to send your money. You're going to choose between transferring funds between your own Wells Fargo accounts or sending money to another bank account. If the transfer is to another one of your Wells Fargo accounts, you'll select Transfer Between Accounts. However, if you're aiming to send money to a different bank entirely, you'll want to click on To Another Bank Account. Now, if you haven't already added an outside bank account, you'll need to do so now. Tap on the option to Add Non-Wells Fargo Account. Here, you'll be required to enter the routing number and the account number of the other bank. This is an essential step, as Wells Fargo will need to verify your external account. Keep in mind that the verification process can take between 1 to 3 days, so plan accordingly. After linking and verifying your external account, it's time to fill in the transfer details. Decide which of your Wells Fargo accounts the funds will be pulled from and where they're headed. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, as well as the date for the transfer, whether you want it done immediately or scheduled for later. Before finalizing, thoroughly review all the transfer information you've entered. Ensuring accuracy here is crucial to avoid any hiccups. Once satisfied, go ahead and tap Submit or Transfer to finalize the process. And just like that, you're done. A confirmation message will appear, letting you know your transfer was successful. Whenever you need, you can view the details of this transaction in the Transfer Activity section of your app. And there you have it, a complete guide to transferring money from Wells Fargo to another bank. With this knowledge, managing your finances across different institutions can be a breeze. Thanks for joining me today, and happy banking.